PDP.
Now to the people.
Jerry says to the Boma, original homeboy himself, Comrade Philip Shaibu. PDP, who is your guy? Oh,
Philip Shaibu, 2024. Philip
I said
Shaibu,
PDP, who is your guy? Oh,
Philip Shaibu, 2024. Philip
for
Shaibu,
better life, for better government.
Philip Shaibu, 2024. Philip Shaibu.
Powers of
Yeah, we don't stand that for this studio again. EDO 2024 in focus. Now we can bring one Ogbonge person come this studio. Now face where everybody know, now person where everybody know for Edo State. Now person when he be say, if you see him for street, you know say na real comrade na he be, and if you see the cloth when he wear so, you know say na comrade. Make sure not forget say when we talk Tuesday, this program be. We say Wednesday, this program be. Na so Thursday be, and na so Friday be. Every 10 o'clock, Edo 2024 in focus. We get Collins, comrade Osaga, one of APC chieftain for Edo State. He na person wey be say he don dey the party for years. He don follow them day. He never decamp one day. He never move come for that party one day. He dey gidigba with them and he dey chook body for this election wey dey come out 2024. Before we go further, I go introduce my name to una again. Nosa Ege, you know, as it be for TMC TV radio podcast, we dey bring the Ogbonge story. Come the governor from our studio. Mr. Collins, welcome.
My brother Nosa, good morning. Our people for house, good morning. Oh. The ones wey dey office, I salute una. The one wey dey drive for inside vehicle, the one wey wan watch through online, oh, I greet una gidigba.
Well, you be former SSA for Adams Oshomole government. And presently, where you can dey?
Thank you, my brother. You know, say that one a government wey don pass. By the grace of God, we work follow that government as our strength reach. We deliver, and Edo people see and say we were not just brought in as come sit down look. We do even more than the job wey even people expect us to do, and they happy well for us. So when that government don't come out, for a while, you know, we have to go to our private life because wife and children, family go have to chop. So we still face our personal business and at the same time still dey inside politics. And by that opportunity, we can still be one of the political office holder for inside my party, APC for Edo State.
I say make I ask you, this present government, how you see am with the government where you dey when he pass, when he hand over to am? This present government, how you fit take we both say how you fit take compare for our normal language wey we dey speak, we'll say raise the two, which one heavy pass?
You go agree with me say Edo people never see this kind of government before, because the government wey they don always see before na government wey be say almost every household dey be part of the government. So whether you build all the skyscraper or you tie all the road, oh, but somebody go come house in the evening, he go tell you wetin happen for government house. So that was it then. But for now, the government wey come dey, we go call am government of foreigners. That even people no dey get, they no really know wetin dey happen at all. For the government of Adams Ali Oshomole wey we for serve, or wey we get opportunity to serve, not just to lay me, almost every home, who no work as SA, work as SSA, who no work as SSA, work as consultant, who no do consultant, work as the security agency, neighborhood watch, who no work as neighborhood watch, work for rapid response agency. So very many like that. And even on agriculture, there were a lot of things wey come dey happen that time to make sure the agri people get feelings. Even for sport, in short, sport commission come be like say na military recruitment system. In short, you go ask this one where they work, you say they work for Ministry of Sport. If you reach stadium in the morning, youth go full everywhere. Not be say they even really get what they do, but they were all absorbed into Ministry of Sport. Just to say that was government of the people, by the people, and a rule for the people. And this one now government of the few, by the few, and managed by the few. And you see and say that one not be waiting people they want. So that is why we dey very sure say Edo people not go feel wait to see 2024 election come, so that they go by themselves quickly go back to their brothers, go back to people where you live with them, where they stay with them, where you know every corner and every street, where you go fit speak their language, where you not go use interpreter to come dey say wetin you talk I no hear, because not be every of our people go school. And based on all of this, I can tell you say 2024 election for Edo, there no go be any katakata at all. The people unanimously in large number don talk say na here we dey go. You know say if you dey go war, not be all war that they want chest out go. If you see and say na 50 against 3, you no go bother now. Even if you hold gun, the 50 go surround all of una. You no go even see where for shoot your gun. So now so Edo 2024 one be. The people don resolve say they are true with foreigners. They want home base.
The people don't come together say na APC government now they want according to you. With the way the suffering for Niger be since your president the power and the one we carry come out and over to this one the same thing. Be like saying this one come high pass. How you expect say people don't decide say they go give una vote your party APC 2024?
Thank you. You know why I like Nigerians? Nigerians, they know when something deliberately they happen, and they know when they build system where go make things begin work perfectly well. And that was why you see, even with some of the hardship where he did the corner, the people understand, say, this man, this new president, Bola Ahmed Asiwaju Tinubu, he mean well. Now, for example, I want to cite few cases for Edo. Now, waiting, we know, say they make governor close to the people, even reduce poverty first. Now, basic infrastructure, what Oyibo they call infrastructure, building of road, maybe school, health center, and all of that. Now, you see the way this president is start. As he can't send the minister come Edo. Say they here say the major roads of federal government for Edo bad where. And our people know they fit bring their commodities from inside bush, come inside town to sell. Now minister say this president not be joking president. Anything where he talk, he go do am. Now he can't look from Saple Road, from King Square, straight to Delta State. Now he say this problem, he go turn a thing of the past. Edo people say this one want to happen. For how many years? Over 16 years. In short, from the days of Jonathan, even Obasanjo, all this road don't bad. They don't, they promise, waiting. Now normal reggae. Now they say, you sure? After 2 weeks, if you go center of King Square now, by airport, Saple Road from the beginning, you see and say, President Tinubu can ask a minister, and the sections where want repair this road, may they come put very big signposts to tell you say federal government ready for work, not be as before. And as they put them, 3 days after, we begin see Oyibo with big tractor, big caterpillar. People come say wetin dey happen. Now true be this, and if you go Saple Road today, my brother, everybody dey, if drivers they pass, you go see for inside bus, all of them go say, oh, we need sick president. This president, they say you sick. That means say now sick people we want make it come the rule us. Now if you go by face, you go see the kind drainages where they build. If you go the center of from bypass they come, the center tunnels where they build, my brother, me not believe say na even Nigeria na this thing for the happen or for Edo State. So we want to tag the president. Then if you still go Abuja Road, you go Agbo Road, it be like joke before. You can see the presence of federal government fully kicked off. That one are on the road side. Then on the economy, for example, yes, where they go help boost economy. Just be like the way you see say light, NEPA go bring small, you know they work. Now you can't call them. He say this one not be business as usual. Me not be beggar, not get godfather. The ball end for my table. Anything where I talk when I not do now problem. How? He can't say may they go do a survey across the country. Waiting on they make then get stable light. So can say some of the wires don't bad, some of these ones not get standby meter, some rail cable, the major ones don't bad. Now tell them say how una go do a ministry of power. They want raise urgent money make dem start to dey change many things from the main route. That's why you see say NEPA come begin for the first time dey give circular to area, to state, say for 3 months, for 4 months, for 1 week, for 6 months, una go suffer this o, because we dey do things for inside body. Now you see say come be like say the thing come get more close again now, because all those work dey go on. When e go start, e go be one way. Then you go the area of fuel. You know when president talk say they don remove subsidy when e come, though that removing, e stand with that removing o, because if they no remove am, Nigerians no go fit save money. We no go fit help our educational sector. We no go fit even build anything. We go keep dey borrow to take dey do wetin dem dey call subsidy, or for them to go dey refine. And all these things dey make even dollars scarce, because once you go bring more money come, they go have to convert am into dollar. The small dollar and euro wey oyibo bring come Africa, only Nigerians in name of buying fuel, they go squeeze am, buy am, take carry some of the fuel go Niger, Benin, and some other small countries around us. Now he says nothing like this go dey happen again. Now that is why you can see dollar can't even almost scarce the more at a time, because those wey get come quick they hide down. Say it mean say if some of these people want go buy fuel now, they go come buy more dollar, since our local refinery never dey work. When he come look and say now there they want pass, then he come say refinery must work. Dangote, federal government don't invest so much as a way of support for your refinery to work. This will not be business as usual. If, for example, you get deal with anybody, say make una dance around Nigeria, or guy in the next 2 months, they go open Kirikiri prison. Oh, Kirikiri prison, not no big man, he not no small man. So he don't need any visit by anybody. Meet the direct agencies and offices where go make sure these things are perfected. That was why during those periods, see president, they go tell you say some people, so even big men want go greet them. He not want ready see anybody. Make una go dey do am as it's supposed to be. Today, you and I agree that Dangote refinery in the next few days go enter market. They don't refine now. Now distribution, now they won't start.
Dangote na private.
I know, sir. Private, but with government over 65% contribution.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can tell you that. Even before they sack the man wey make more Nigerians die and give us more poverty than we even expect, Mr. Emefiele, the former Central Bank governor, if you go through the line, when there were analysis on how Dangote refinery take come up, the day where they first do one jokey commissioning before the former president come out, which was not really a full commissioning. Now there, now info put mouth for how central bank, now Nigeria government and be central bank.
Your government be that one.
Good. How central bank don't take assist the Dangote refinery. Contributions even where some states and some different government agencies contribute into it. So by so saying, government get its own percentage there, and not just be small percentage, but maybe they go rearrange and again so that percentage go even big pass Dangote own, because government money for there big pass Dangote own and some other private sector. E no end for there, this federal government. E can't tell you say the Port Harcourt refinery no be joke as they do one before. The contractors wey dey there, Mr. President himself carry a leg digba. Call them for meeting, tell them say me I don big pass to take bribe. If I want chop, probably I go chop direct by myself. No be you go come dey give me bribe. So you must do the right thing. Invest more money, and that is why you see the already lightning of Port Harcourt refinery. And by the grace of Almighty God, in the next, we are not even talking of months, we are not talking of weeks. In the next weeks, they will start food crude processing. After which they go also enter the stage of finished refine, and they go come enter market too. And from there, they enter Kaduna. Kaduna is already working. Kaduna refinery don't reach 75% stage now. And now so they go touch and they go. And not forget, in also rule out modular refinery, where they call local processing system. You no go need all these too many big machine full everywhere. But in a little sub arrangement, those people go see they refine. And when they refine, they go see they cover some small area. But they want to make sure say those modular refineries not go be the one where go make people where go they add kerosene, join and missy where people go they burn like we don't see before. Where people go put fuel, it go turn to kerosene for motor, it go destroy motor, or people go carry kerosene, put for inside stove, you go come go turn to fuel, they go put on, make them light matches or lighter, you go put for their body.
Stop you for here.
Thank you. I ready to wait.
Stop you here. You know why I go stop you here? And one question I ask you, and one straight answer you give me.
Okay.
Then we'll go for break. When we return back, we'll chook man for your party, where we chook man for your government, and now I want to come. Why APC on our way the opposition? All the ogbonge things we got we don't do for this government, go the Obaseki. None of the same. Now once just one response.
Hey, not go fit be one response because
one response.
I go have
we
to.
they go break.
Okay.
Why APC on not the same?
If he do something where he good, we go see him. But if he do something where he be say na bubu ye and he talk say he good, we must refine something before you go praise person.
Okay, this civil service building secretariat, no see him.
Yes, very good. We appreciate for
modular refinery, no
see him. Come, sir.
No, they ask one. We they enter full analysis when we come back.
Okay.
I just they ask you modular refinery, no see him.
We never see him. But wait till you see we fit not see him. So that's why you go explain.
Secretariat building, no see him.
We see him say they paint him, but Ogbemudia don't build almost all these things since. Now normal, you don't say building day. Yes.
Edo best.
Some not get window.
No get awareness of Edo best.
We never really see people for street come on my way Edo best put for work.
Edo jobs, una not see them. Una way the APC, what I know they see the good things where this man they do.
That's why if during the analysis, I go tell you some area where we see where it good and the area where it be obu. Now to just paint time, make people look like say something.
All these are journey street for city where the man they do. Una know they see them.
Me and you they drive past every corner. So if it day, we go drive past them and we go agree. So that's why I tell you say if they tell us the one way they way don't do, then we go from there start the debate.
Our artists where they day abroad, where they Lagos, you see the way that they come back home. Victor Wifo Center. You never go there, go watch them.
They never invite us. Maybe now only their party people that they invite. But if they send invitation, come. We go.
You don't see the way they revamp sport.
Which of the sports section?
Sport is sport.
As in waiting.
I don't want to go better insurance. You don't see the way revamp sports.
That's right. I say which
you see
section
the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium.
Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium was built. It's all renovated by 3 governments. Lucky Gbinedion did majestically. All those chairs where you see now, Lucky Gbinedion change them. Oshomole come now. Oshomole bring the turf where you they see for that stadium. So maybe now the swimming pool session. Oshomole be start working, not finish. Maybe still finish there. So that's why they asked. I was in that government too. So that's why they asked which session if I don't work for sports segment.
Better insurance don't come live.
Better insurance come live. Yes, motivation. We give Philip Shaibu credit for that one because somebody
now
was.
Now they are governments.
I know. But
now the government of Obaseki.
But at the same time.
Without where we go break.
Okay.
Yeah, my people, we don't sit down here Gidigba since we deal with Comrade Collins Osagai. He don't deal with us, don't analyze some areas, don't respond to some areas. Make we chook life for market, make we return.
Edo State must become an industrial powerhouse in Africa, and that is where we're headed. Edo State must remove poverty at every level. That is where we're headed. By the grace of God Almighty, every child in Edo State must be in school. Every child in Edo State must have qualitative education, and every person in Edo State must have access to qualitative health care. So, by God's grace, we will do our very best.
PDP.
Now to the people.
Javi says to the Boma, original homeboy himself, Comrade Philip Shaibu. PDP, who is your guy? Oh,
Philip Shaibu, 2024. Philip
I say
Shaibu.
PDP, who is your guy? Oh,
Philip Shaibu, 2024. Philip Shaibu.
for better life, for better governance.
Philip Shaibu, 2024. Philip Shaibu.
Our supply good infrastructure, EOO,
Philip
sport and youth development,
2024. Philip Shaibu.
accountability, transparency.
Philip Shaibu, 2024. Philip
PDP
Shaibu.
members nominate our original homeboy, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu for Edo State, a man who believes in progress, achievement, and a solid foundation. PDP.
Now to the people.
Now we don't finish for market. We say make we return back. We there with Comrade Osaga Collins. Now APC oga patapata for the state and for Oredo Gidigba. And in the year since he don't begin defend the party, defend the government. And he don't they tell everybody say their government they come to come take over from the present government. We be doing Obaseki and PDP government. And the government are for everybody, not for one party. And we still there with Collins for here. And we go Chukman for a party. Their primary where they come up soon, how they ready for the primary, and the people where they contest. I mean, I know say in they support somebody, but we not to put mouth and put body for those areas. But we talk generally how their party is ready reach. Collins, katakata where they your party for the past 2 weeks. How?
Brother Nusa, katakata not dey like that. But you know, say when you don't reach the time to choose leader, interest must dey. And if you feel manage the interest, now they make a successful party. But at this level, yes, everybody get interest. Even leaders get interest. You know, even sometimes as parents for house, at times e get the way you go even want beat some of your pikin for house. Your mind go tell you say this one me I not too beat now because e be like you get soft spots. So now so e be. Even when you say some people now, you give some people opportunity to take be leader. At times because they get soft spot for one particular person, they feel not manage am well. E go almost want turn to katakata. And maybe now that one be waiting be one almost happen for inside APC. You know, the last time some of people wey talk say they want be governor under or be the flag bearer for the party, they want represent the party to go for the general election. The National Working Committee, which is the oga patapata body wey dey manage our party for Abuja, come say okay make una come. They just say make una come, not really say they know say all of them really even want go, because not until you buy form they not go know whether you ready to want go. Now that time after you don't buy form, now they take they separate the boys from the men. When we meet the men, we meet people where don't work, maybe they get some money where they go fit spend. You know the money where men go fit spend, boys not go fit spend them because of the age where you don't spend. Like me now, if I tell you say I get 15 million for my account, you go ask me for how many years I don't take work for my life, and waiting I remove as stars, I take feed, how much can remain? EFCC fit still hold me because I feel not really fit defend them like that. Now that point that they fit separate boys from men, and but party just okay make them come. When they don't go, they can't greet all of them. Oh, say una do well, una take come. Una continue to hold the party strong. Oh, but we know say not be all of una go fit buy this form. Leaders wey escort them come Abuja, which una go do as una want go back before we call them again. We want know people wey really ready to want represent or do governor through the party. So una go call them together, ask them. Those ones wey not ready, make them just kukuma rest. But those ones wey fit say they ready, we go let them timetable don't come out already. They fit go back, go buy the form. But when some of our people can't come back house, they can't change them from waiting they send them to waiting they no send them. They not tell you say go screen anybody come out or remove anybody. They only tell you say make them meet among themselves, reason who ready to go and who not ready to go. But we can't begin the year kurukere waka. Some people say this one not go fit go, now this one must go. Even when you say make he must go, not even get money for fun, for example. Who you they say he must go, they come and different report come see they come. Like say anti-party don't already start. Some people don't they get strike deal with opposition. So okay, don't worry, we want bring very light person where you go feel press for inside water for the re-election. You know go even feel Zuwegbe. So now many people for my party say the 5 best not go fit go house. Maybe the 4 or the 6 lowest come. They not they do one like that. You not tell these people say you go now they say they not go or they don't ready to come out. You on your own, you take paper and biro. They say I remove this one, now they say no, it not go happen. So but by the wisdom of the party for on top, now they quick write. Say we not send anybody to remove anybody. We always say make you talk to them. Say this one where everybody say you want go Lagos. You know say at time you say you want carry people go Lagos. Some person go tell you say I know they fit sit down for a side motor past 30 minutes. I go start to dey vomit. I no wan travel again. I be say I go follow you travel go Lagos. I no wan travel. Ask them whether any of them dey this kind category wey no go wan travel again. We no say make you say come down for inside motor you no go travel. You come down you no go. No, na party quick right. And for the state party leadership wey we know wey party don give the Ogidigba opportunity to dey manage the party, which is the acting chairman of the state, distinguished Jared Etenebe, come still talk say no party for state no put hand for anything wey remove anybody without the person by himself not talk say he wan rest. So by all that we come put all these things to rest, and that is why you see say they don dey buy form, all of them dey happy together. If you see for our national leader pikin marriage, almost all of them tada gidigba for there, except for those wey no come fit get transport to even take go back. Because you know say even those meeting wey they go for Abuja, not be everybody even get transport to take go take by self come back. You know say flight too don dey there now. So some at the beginning they are going now to go distract people.
Okay, make I ask you one question. You want to tell me now say national, according to you now, they can't call all of them. They can't advise them. They can't say when they go meet. They can't say the ones who are not serious, may they relax. Those who are serious, if you buy form, may they buy form. I be not say you talking.
Now so I talk.
Now, the national people can't come and say they not say make una do screening according to your statement. Make una go buy form.
According to their statement.
I dey hear am from you now.
Okay.
Now
But you that press man.
you dey tell me now say not be GPT. Now national they do all the aspirants so because reducing the numbers, people if you buy form, some of them, according to the advisory body or the screening body, majority of them for not buy form and national working committee for not make money. You notice that for them to make money, now make them open them out, make everybody buy.
Who talk
Who
say
fee buy, make them go buy.
who talk say he go fit buy form? That one not come be any other person business. It just be like say I want go Lagos. I get option either to use flight, aeroplane, or to use motor for road. So na choice that time. But they tell you say now where you dey go you won't go or you won't reach. So if they tell you say come buy form if you want buy, and another person they talk say no go buy, not being get your money for you, not being get your supporter for you. If they tell you say no go buy, that don't go buy where you they talk. Now on the selfish ground, if we come meet you now say now you want buy phone for us now we not get money. Let's say we be 20 loyal boys. We can't come say I not get past 15 million or 100 million. Now let two people feel buy for. You now go feel buy for. But any other person wey fit say go fit go buy, you fit go buy. Now choice that time. But for the talk say market open, the another person talk say no you must not go buy. That one are dictatorship, imposition, killing of democracy, killing of people's will. And that one be waiting the ordinary person for street no want. If I tell you say, oh, I want go sleep. Now me get my life. Now me get my time. You must not tell me say I must not sleep. I must watch match or I must play music. I tell you say I want go sleep with my own life. You say no, you not go sleep. Oh, you must watch football. So if me can't allow that one happen, that means say me not even ready before to go lead. That means say if me the authority now people want lead.
Make I ask you, you dey support anybody where they contest for governorship now?
Yes, I must support
Who you
person
dey
as
support?
a politician. But my
Wait,
friends
who you,
many for
wait,
the race.
who you dey support?
Me na Pastor Isaiah Yamu DNA, na him dey inside me.
Okay, wait. Oh, the 6 and the 4, the pastor name dey. The 6 or the 4, pastor name dey.
For even the people where they set up, where say they do the committee, Pastor Sage Isaiah Yamu name, they say na him they put for number 1.
Okay, wait.
for that list.
Wait. With waiting, I be journalist.
Yes,
I dey read, I dey watch.
yes,
So many things come out for social media.
yes,
So many things come out for paper.
yes,
Some people can sponsor it.
yes.
Now, the 6 way come out. 2 from Edo North, 2 from Edo Central, 2 from Edo South. They can reduce down to 4. 2 from Edo South, 1 from Edo Central. I think 2 from Edo Central, 2 from Edo South. Pastor name not there.
And now,
I dey come now. You see, I happy say you now you dey support. So I go use this opportunity, use pastor matter to end this program. Now, pastor land for airport for Benin here, he made statement. And with the year who say, among all of them, now only pastor, now he come out, verse, say the process, he not like him. According to what we dey read since, he not like him. The rest, like Kazim Afegba come out for TV. Then the other man where they call Afolabi Ernest, Dr. Afolabi Ernest, made statement through writing. Then some other persons, not even Gideon of Bakwan, came out and said, the leaders don't decide. In all this, all of them are aspirants. Why be saying a pastor? Now he can't charge.
Now, first, make I tell you, even the body or the few people where they say they put together, they not even come up with waiting those distractors wrong carry enter social media, go they display. Those things were not even true. Those people, they were just distractor. Or may I call and say their aim was to distract the process, by so doing. Now, just as I tell you, a national working body talk, they say they not set up you to remove people. That means you were already standing on illegality.
Okay, what did they set them up for?
Now, National Working Committee not set them up. They talk, say, leaders, as soon as they escort them come, make una see interface with them. So that tomorrow, una not say, people not say they deceive them. You understand? Say, okay, they be not ready, because they even know say not be all of them ready. They not get enough chair where go they carry 30 people anytime they want co-aspirant. So more I just ask the people where not ready. You and I know some names now. We don't want to mention them now. Some people come and local government say they can't greet us. Now only in Waka come. You not even bring cola, you not bring drink. Now another person cola, we take pray for him. Another person drink. They say you not even bring cola, drink, we want to pray for you now. You can't tell us, say, he say it no matter. He say now only in your come. I don't want to mention, and if you ask, they go tell them, they go tell you the name. Those are the people where federal come and say they agree, because these are people where they are so cheap. They feel go back collect even as low as 10 million, from people hand. Maybe for them they go no spend past 1 million as expenses. They go get another small thing for pockets, because now so they cheap rich. Now how can you, a man where say you dey fight against injustice, you dey fight against oppression, you would fight other government because say it was government of the few. Now you dey encourage a system of the few. For example, you see say we'll use one man to talk, we'll use another man to drink hot water. And it not go like that, because the mouth where you take they drink cold water, if you just see they put cold water and hot water for mouth at the same time now. So all these things and these characters where it display so can't really differentiate some people from even waiting they come out from their mouth, because Oyibo say action is louder than words. So to talk is very cheap. It just be like as I dey here now, just dey talk. You don't know me for many years. We have been friends. And you know safe to say I want to be very big man. As I dey come your studio now, I want to come with big jeep with police and security. By the grace of God, I don't most advance to that level. But you see the small motor where I see take on just now, because I know they desperate to say, oh, if I not get this one. That's why anything I talk, I dey want work for long. Make people learn to talk and defend within they talk. I was almost the spokesperson of Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole for years, which even though that was not directly my office. I was senior special assistant to the governor then on community and youth development. But in an extension, I was more of the spokesperson, because those where they say make they speak, most times they don't go even go talk, because they don't even know what to talk. But for the party and at that level, we try the little we can. And I haven't talked before. That's why we be careful. May waiting we talk yesterday, not can rob us today. That's why if I am supporting you, me and you agree. Say no opposition of any kind, for example, and allow democracy to flourish, and you can begin the change. Me follow you do that drumming. All of us do that drumming. Say no, we carry per lock as of assembly at a time, because we say nobody go dictate for the Zakawano waiting to talk from there, for example. Now as I see they follow you, they go. If you want come bend, I go tell you, Oga, me still get future, I no go fit follow you bend this way, because now so we say make we dey go. So I not really matter, but we have not also heard even from our national leader in the state, Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole, to talk say, oh, he fully support this one. He don't talk, say everything wey they hear, say now all media propaganda. He not support anybody. And you here, you know, media people, few days ago, he hosted the local government party chairman for Abuja, you know, and he told them for that meeting, say, my hand, my leg, not there, I know they carry anybody. So those people where they use it, they play for one night since now, they don't call like Dodo. They don't call now. Say, he just called this Ogidigba chairman of different local government. He just tell the black and blue, say, I know they carry anybody. If somebody carry person, not go tell you at this 9 minutes. Yes, now not be the one that they do high. So that's why we still ready to follow them bumper to bumper. Make them not continue to destroy and blackmail the name of our leader, our friend, and the man we see as a master. Comrade Adams Aliyu as Shomole. Because Shomole believe in capacity. And I can bet you today, the person where get that capacity, that structure, even when he don't fight power in the center, even in the state to contest for election, yet na tikele number, na people with all the instruments fit even still take winner. Somebody wey go fit gather over 200 and something thousand vote with federal might fight am, state might fight am. They were not unbiased. They use our institution, take a holy leg and in hand. His who come out like that. Oh God, you want to use that kind of person play? Even opposition, they celebrate when they hear those kurukere story for social media. Hey, they come, they do party. People say, why not they do party? They say, we hear, say, oh, Ize Yamu, he be like, no go contest. Ize Yamu don't pass the name. Where person they say, who are you?
Comrade, this question when I want to ask you, now 1 minute you to respond. Our time not there again. Okay. But before I ask you, Pastor Osage Zeyamu, 2014, you and I did. We'll be friends then, we watch them. The party where they bring together to get their congresses in favor am. In 2014, he carry waka, he go PDP. He left the party as APC. He waka. Pastor Osage Zeyamu in 2016, he can't contest for this state. He contest and he lost. Under PDP, the man where they APC defeat him. That's the party when he suffer for. According to...
Of course, you are correct.
Now, if the PDP they come, nothing we not hear from her and the present legacy people. It was part of the legacy group. In 2020, if they come APC, the present, what we see, the present government and the present governor, they don't want to make it come APC. Adams, now national chairman. We remember when national executive follow Adams, come, they want to receive pastor for a year. I think at Charles Sariave house, now they can't go do that, the camping. Is that your house? You know, so not to know now. Now, it don't come the party. People don't they think of contesting governorship. As it come, I believe say some people they will talk to those ones to say, make una mellow, make it contest. It they okay to contest. He contested and he lost. In 2024, again, Pastor Osage Ezeyamu under the APC.
Why you not let me I not come
at the
forget.
concert. Wait now, under APC, he won contest for the third time. And people, they inside, we can make am 29. Whether you feel buy form or you not feel buy form, for example, 1 minute, if they can't tell pastor say, still allow A or B take the candidate, you sure say he go agree.
A winning election not be experiment. Now, you know you're the experiment.
You say, no, listen. You say winning election not be experiment.
Yes.
I just gave you an analysis of 2020.
That's why I say make you quick allow me rush too.
But you will remember,
limited.
you go remember say, Matthew, Idweyekeme de PDP. And people they see Matthew, Pastor Ezeyamu de APC. Before he go meet them Matthew for PDP at the concert. And when he reached there, now he can contest election in 2016. Matthew not can contest where he come meet. In 2020, the Modubo of the day ground. In there for PDP. He come APC. Now he can still contest election for APC. In 2024, the third time, if they can't tell and say no, no go, no call them experiment, give me direct response.
Who want tell him? who tell am.
The leadership where they tell people when they list
me
the
and you know
things.
they do debate.
Wait,
you
no.
suppose ask question me or answer.
I don't ask you question.
No, because you got a
No, go ahead. You know, I don't want to
now
go.
make I tell you.
Yes.
When Governor Adams Aliyu Oshomole wan come, when he wan come contest election, now this same Pastor Sage say Yamu, now he build ACN wait for him,
AC Action Congress.
ACN no we don't metaphors into ACN.
No, when he want no listen sir.
When they come,
Action Congress.
good. Now he
They
prepare.
never enter Action Congress of Nigeria.
Good. Now he prepare the party wait for him.
Yes.
As not just ordinary person, South leader of the party, not be only Edo, South. Now, nobody know Adams politically, as it were, but he has an identity. Now, because why he has a name, we go fit win election. I want just cite that one. That means pastor gets structure, an inbuilt structure that cannot be dismantled in any side. That's why when they can't do Congress, where be say can't be like open insult somehow. He left. You never see for my papa house for Ogida. There were a time where my brother and I inherited the house. He can't get tenants where he pass am. The tenant they use gang where he dey, they threaten them. Oga, he can't move come up for the house. For tenant can't take charge, can't go re-strategize, can't come back. He and the group or team where he say he hailed for his life. What am I not saying? Pastor left and came back. When he go PDP to tell you say the man is ordained. He came. Now you mention names so for him to feel bulldozer away for that same PDP. That tell you say because not be small name even they the PDP as at that time. Now that was the grace God gave him and the grace did they follow him. Then he can't come back now to APC. At the time he came, let me tell you, when the present governor was rubbishing APC people, destroyed their houses. He said Oshomole not land for airport. This one, even when the certain group was created, in short, where they want to meet, he go pursue them. All of them come most park, go they stay for Abuja and Lagos. Now they can say, which man get capacity? Where you go fit tell this man say, oh boy, package you. I say, who we need now, pastor? Oga, now delegates they take go discuss. Because now they leave the PDP ticket, nobody for collect them from them. People like them, even the same Comrade Adams as a national chairman, felt, oh, you have capacity. Please, I can't even, I've been wanted to come to Benin and all of that. So this man came, mobilized his team.
Oh, Comrade was not coming to Benin.
Of course, Obaseki did not allow him to come to Benin.
Are you sure?
Oh, God, I'm coming now. You know, a media man. Now, what I'm telling you, there was so much of intimidation using the government apparatus to the extent they carry caterpillar block on Maoga as we call it, front and back. If not be smart for carry trailer or some sample for in gate safe. But they use timber. Say, me come, they don't come. But at that level, at the day he came, now pastor, now be number one for airport. Now he whole Comrade Adams, he rise from plane, come down. Now he say, let us go. Now the team match. That was the rendition.
My director, don't they do me like this.
That was
we don't exceed. We don't exceed.
But that was the rendition of APC in those states.
Thank you very much. You see, we get time for everything.
Okay.
They do me like this since. And when I give you time to talk, I wish I would know now this. If I don't say you the support pastor, now this one for to start the program.
No problem.
Yeah, my people, we don't day
day.
here since we deal with Collins. I'm not put Comrade again.
Okay then.
You be politician. We deal with Comrade Collins Osagai, former senior special assistant to Adams Aliyu Oshomole and his government on community and youth development of those days. And we know, where they do media that time, we know plenty things which him bring come from his brain, enter the government, make sure to say all those things, then work. In the years since, he don't chook mouth for left, he don't chook mouth for right. He don't talk everything where I believe say, una 1 year. And we go carry and come again. Make him come this studio, make him come tell us how the youth will take support the youth, how youth will take the plenty for this government. And how they'll put body for this 2024 where we they look. So because the elders, they don't to do us. They can't convert themselves from elders to leaders. Now we they get Prince Greg Ogiogwa very soon. As soon they come on, so Ogiogwa go enter our studio. Sit down, Gidigba. Continue from area where we say Collins don't talk about things because everything boiled down to Edo 2024 in focus. My name still remain Nusa Ege. But I not forget, as we see him, now so we they talk him, we not they take blame.
PDP.
Now to the people.
Javi says to the Bobma, original homeboy himself, Comrade Philip Shaibu. PDP, who is your guy? Oh,
Philip Shaibu 2024. Philip
I say
Shaibu.
PDP, who is your guy? Oh,
Philip Shaibu 2024. Philip Shaibu.
for better life, for better government.
Philip Shaibu 2024. Philip Shaibu.
Power supply, good infrastructure, EOO.
Philip
Sport and youth development.
2024. Philip Shaibu.
Accountability, transparency.
Philip Shaibu 2024. Philip
PDP
Shaibu.
members nominate our original homeboy, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu for Edo State. A man who believes in progress, achievement, and a solid foundation. PDP.
Now to the people.
Edo State must become an industrial powerhouse in Africa, and that is where we're headed. Edo State must remove poverty at every level. That is where we're headed. By the grace of God Almighty, every child in Edo State must be in school. Every child in Edo State must have qualitative education, and every person in Edo State must have access to qualitative health care. So, by God's grace, we will do our very best.